And race number 2 will be on its way in just a short while. Tara, let's! Now being loaded, all set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have balik. First to show quickness at the start. Burgundy is on the outside. Fine performer. Rebecca in the middle portion. Blushing star. Tara, let's comes next. Masaganang Ani. Then comes Sobrang Class. Zamit Masters. Fisher's Champ is down on the inside. Pangani Boy. Then next online is Promise. While Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have balik by about half length. And on the outside, second is Burgundy. Fine performer is racing in third. Then comes Blushing Star. Matsaganang Aniya is racing in fifth. Then comes Divega. Then moving up now down on the inside is Sobrang Class, Zamit Master, Tara, let's Fisher's Champ, Pangani Boy, Mapagtiis, while Promise now racing in 13 din sa the last 400. We have balik by over the length. Burgundy still in second, and Diana Winter in the home stretch. We have balik by over the length. Burgundy is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Balik, Burgundy is on the outside. Balik, Burgundy are body round for the lead. And finally, it's balik. Burgundy, then comes Sobrang Class, Fisher's Champ, Saganang Ani, Tara, let's.
Anong datingan?
389113 at yung
13 ba? 6 yata di ba?
Masaganang Ani, Tara, let's, tapos Masaganang Ani, something like that. Anyway, it was balik, kapraso lang doon sa dehadong Burgundy. 38, ang forecast natin, 128. 128 yung ating forecast.
Magaling din yung Burgundy.
Yeah.
Ops, may inquiry tayo. Hold on to your tickets.
Hold on to your tickets. Huwag po muna magtatapon ng ticket at may announce tayo sa aming director. Hold on to your tickets. So anyway, tingnan natin ang ating mga pairings kung sakaling tres. Sa 1, 30. Sa 2, 74. 3, 181. Tapos sa 6, 860.